Hippocampus. The hippocampus is a complex structure located in the medial temporal lobe inferior to the cerebral cortex. The brain contains two hippocampi located in each cerebral hemisphere. The hippocampus, although involved in many brain functions, is perhaps best known for its role in learning and memory. The name hippocampus comes from the Greek word for seahorse, as the hippocampus has a seahorse-like structure. The hippocampus is also referred to as the cornu ominis, in reference to the Egyptian deity Amun, who has the head of a ram, as the hippocampus is described as having a horn-like appearance. The hippocampus is divided into four regions, CA1, CA2, CA3, and CA4, with the CA serving as an abbreviation for cornu ominis. The hippocampus is part of the hippocampal formation, which also includes the hippocampal gyrus, subiculum, and the dentate gyrus. The hippocampal gyrus, also known as the parahippocampal gyrus, surrounds the hippocampus and is made up of several cortical areas, including the entorhinal cortex. The entorhinal cortex serves as a gateway for information moving in and out of the hippocampal formation. Information flows into and through the hippocampus in three major pathways, which make up the trisynaptic circuit. First is the perforant pathway, which extends from the entorhinal cortex to the granule cells in the dentate gyrus. The second is the mossy fiber pathway, which moves from the granule cell of the dentate gyrus to the pyramidal cells of the CA3 region of the hippocampus. The final pathway is the Schaefer collateral pathway, which extends from the CA3 region of the hippocampus to the CA1 region of the hippocampus. The hippocampus is largely considered to be the site of memory consolidation. Memory consolidation is best understood as a time-dependent process that occurs when a newly learned experience is transformed into a long-term memory. Memories, however, are not thought to be stored in the hippocampus. Instead, the hippocampus can be envisioned as a shipping center of sorts, taking information and shipping it elsewhere. The hippocampus is also believed to be highly involved in the process of spatial memories. Period cells located in the subiculum and the CA1 region of the hippocampus process sensory and motor cues which enable the brain to form a cognitive map with spatial and contextual information. Because of the integral role in memory consolidation and memory transfer, damage to the hippocampus can yield amnesia among other complications. Such damage was present in patient HM, who underwent brain surgery in an attempt to alleviate his seizures. While his surgery was successful, it left him with both antegrade and retrograde amnesia, as his hippocampus was entirely removed. Damage to the hippocampus has been linked to a variety of neurological disorders, including, but not limited to, amnesia, schizophrenia, and Alzheimer's disease. To conclude, the hippocampus plays a key role in both learning and memory.